Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 133 and 135 Everett Street in the town of Greece. This is a one-of-a-kind property with two beautiful townhouses to live or rent. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This just beautiful first floor has great open living, with a vaulted ceiling living and dining room, with fireplace and scenic backyard views. Open to an eating kitchen with a powder room and deck access. The upstairs features two spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom, including this primary bedroom with a walk-in closet. Enjoy peace and tranquility in this amazing and beautifully landscaped backyard, with each unit having their own private deck. This property is located at the end of the street with great privacy. Nearby restaurants, shopping at the Mall of Greece Ridge, and Lake Ontario. What a great place to live or invest in. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 133 and 135 Everett Street in the town of Greece. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.